Yeah man, freelance over there with the great Basha bowl, and today we are on a nice little pot. So yeah, cook some Caesar rice. Wow, you saw that frog up? The frog up? Yeah man, so a glass frog up. Take a close up. So we have the pumpkin, Irish, carrot, okra, the Caesar rice, and we have the ackee right there. So more seasoning, skelly and everything gone in already, and just the onion and the tomato left. I'm gonna fry up with this. I see saltfish here. Yeah man, I just don't pick it up. Yeah man, so we are cook some Caesar rice, isn't it? Yeah people, so stick and stay. Watch what go on. So right now we are about to get all the ackee fry up, isn't it? So yeah man, just stick and stay and watch what go on for that. Move down Caesar rice. Yes, so we are fry up the ackee. Yeah man people, so I guess I go on now, we are get the pot on the fire. See that Dutch pot? We are fry up the ackee now. So we can put it in there. Oh, we hear that? Fire. Yeah man, so I like the stove there now. I check to make sure everything lock out. So we have fire on that Dutch pot now. So we have the pot hot. So this is seasoning them, see me? Yes my people. Pepper, onion, tomato and garlic. Scallion, thyme, everything in a seasoned pot already. And do it in the rice pot. But the rice not going in it. Yeah. So stick and stay and watch out for that. This is the ackee. Okay. Alright, pot hot. So I get some oil. Nah, I use too much oil, not little bit we using guys, not enough. Just a little tooks. Just a little tooks, my people. Yeah man, just a little tick. I mean, I put little garlic on the oil. So I just done put on a little piece of pepper and some little garlic in the oil and keep on fry out. Yeah man, let the pot active. Grease up. You see that, my people? Yeah man, freelance Jamaica TV in the kitchen. See that? I wish you could have there for smell that peeps. Yeah man, I tell you. As I say, I'm telling you. I'm telling you guys. Yeah man. Alright. Can smell the garlic as I say. So we have a fry up seasoning and garlic now. People don't want to smell that. See how the cat come in, cat smell it, see that? Yeah man, just a good look. So we're lock it up and make it season and get to steam guys. You can see how watch out. Yeah man peeps, I guess I go on. We are going to put tea in the ackee. Do the ackee. With the black pepper. With the black pepper in it rice. Just a little cook. Spice it up. You can smell the flavor people. Oh my man, I can smell the flavor. That guys, look at that. Yeah man, that's saltfish rice. So you see we are not cover the spoon piece, so I know say Jamaican. You see me? Yeah man people, so when you see it there, we are get that one steamed on. So we are going to cover it up and make it go on steam out. You see that? So stick and stay and once you go on the rice and go in it and show them. See that? Boil. Rich, yellow, love and flavor there. So we are going back in the ackee pot. Go on with this now. Yeah man, we'll lock him off. We'll lock him off and now peeps, they can stay and watch out.
Okay, no, alright.
Yeah man, peeps, I get there. Everything we want to get in there.
Sorry, bro. Wrong. Mix up a bit too much.
See that paper? Season rice, you see that?
But the mothers, season rice this.
Yeah, man.
You tell them how I there, but tell them
Yes, man, I tell them how I there already, man. So this.
Alright. Catch the water now.
Wash it, man.
Throw them in there. Probably like it, I want.
What the colors in that tape? Yeah, man.
You want to little bit. I'll call it okay, I'm going to
No, man. The colors so man.
Alright, I'll go for the rice.
Alright. So the next time we show on the pot guys are the rice I go in. You see me? Yeah man, the rice I go in the next time we show on the pot. Bad season rice we are cooking idea. They are bashy boy, but you know man, sure you can't really show him, isn't it? Yeah man, out there guys, we out here without fear. So remember, like the video, share the video, share it to the friends them, yeah man, subscribe. And remember guys, support the channel any way you can. If you want to donate something to the channel, you're free. If you want to watch 2 videos same way, you support the channel. Remember for watching ads guys, that's how we make a little revenue, so I beg on you please watch out the ads them. Yeah, I get in there right now.
Rinse up, but then I'll put that in there. Yeah. Enough ackee there, you know. Nice, you know.
The rice gone in the people, you see that? So it's going to simmer them and cook, you know. All in one, you see how we're going?
All in one.
Season rice, ackee saltfish, okra,
coconut milk.
carrot,
Carrot.
Irish.
Pumpkin.
Yeah, man, the whole work.
Mad thing. I'm not gonna see it when it's done.
Alright, guys, so check in on it done. Yeah, people see? Well, I want to smell it, it simmer down, you know. You see me, guys? Yeah, man, look here, guys, a simmer down. Freelance, tell me how it look now, man. Comment and tell me how it look. Comment and tell me how it look. Comment and tell me how it look. Yeah, man, freelance here in the kitchen. Cook up a good food there. That is it, guys. So remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Freelance there. Today we're up on the farm. And this is what I deal with today, you see me? Some seasoned rice. Yeah, freelancer. Here we go now. But just gotta look how far we reach, you know? Yeah. So the rice are cook. See that? And video I eat it. Rice are cook. Yeah, man, it smell nice, look nice. So that's the rice that you're cooking on my people. Yeah, man, I don't see how we prepare it. I don't see how we deal with it, so I don't know, it's a professional thing. You see that? Yeah, man, so like up a video, share up a video, and tell a friend to tell a friend. You see me? Freelance Jamaica TV. We're out here without fear. Yeah, man, in the kitchen. See that we're not on the farm, guys, and I can see that. Yeah, man, we're not living in a farm today. We're in the little kitchen. I do the right thing, so just do the right thing with people. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, man, pot a bubble. You see that? Yeah, man. We're outside. Yeah, people, it's done now. Yeah, man, I show you. I'm trying to show you. People see all of the vegetables, all of the seasoning there. Everything here say ackee. Coconut milk like it rich.
More like some coconut dumpling on it.
Man, outside there people see it there. See that, guys? Yeah, man, see that, it's a share. Yeah, put it in and put it back on.
The bun?
Yeah. The powder nice in the back.
You know?
Yeah, Rosalie, I tell you about it.
Yeah, man.
GX, start up the ball.
Mash them around. Mash up. I don't know how you took that.
Right. Yeah, man, yeah. Share my one and get it ready up alive, people. Outside. Like a wow, guys. I'm gonna share mine now, so as you can see, we inside we come to the end of the video, you know. Yeah, man. I'm gonna eat my little bit, you know. Tell you how it tastes. Yeah. I'm going to use a spoon. Yeah, man, I'm going to use a spoon. You know, so see it here. So we are going to taste it. It's some of my Irish. That's nice. Taste of the saltfish and the ackee. Yeah, man, and it cook good, you know? Yeah, man, it tastes nice. People, so reach today in the video. You have to like, share, comment, and subscribe. As it. Yeah, man, tell a friend, and you want some of my season, right? I'm checking in with me and Basha. Yeah, man, only can get same season right, so you see that? Yeah, man, that is it. So until the next time.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something